News 18 has reached Delhi International Airport to give you all the details of how flying is changing. First, let us show you how to enter the airport because there are many protocols that have to be followed. Once you've reached the airport, it is advisable that you have your boarding pass printed out. Remember, web check-in only is the procedure in the initial phase. After that, your printed boarding pass will have a barcode. So this is a scan and fly counter. Here you will place your barcode, whether it's on your phone or the printed ticket. Right here, you'll scan your barcode and you will get a proper boarding pass from this particular counter. You take that boarding pass and you move ahead, check which gate is designated for your airline, and then you head for your baggage sanitizing zone. You place your checked-in baggage and your bigger handbag inside this baggage sanitizing zone, and you will be checked for temperature. If you are within the prescribed limit, I am 97.3, it's pretty hot in Delhi, and then you proceed. You pick up your bag from the sanitizing zone, you sanitize your hand. Again, this is a no contact sanitizing, I'm not touching anything. Yeah, and sanitize your hands well, and then you proceed to enter the airport terminal building. The CISF personnel is standing behind this glass. So you will show your ticket on one hand and your ID proof on the other in this manner. He's going to check it and then he'll allow you to enter the airport premises. Now this is also another interesting aspect. Your shoes will be sanitized because there's a deep cleaning sanitizer which has been placed on this particular fabric. So as I walk inside the airport, my shoes are also being sanitized simultaneously. This is the thermal screening machine. It is screening me through the thermal screening technology. And also at the entry, you will be asked to show whether you are in the green zone in the Arogya Setu app or fill in a declaration form for the same. Once again, sanitize your hands and let's enter the airport. You will see this almost everywhere because constant sanitization of the airport premises is something that is one of the main SOPs for airports. Now we have our boarding pass which we printed ourselves. We also have taken the baggage sticker which we have to stick on our respective bags. Then we proceed to the boarding counters which are going to act more or less as a baggage drop counter. Queues are going to be longer, which is why you've been advised to reach at least 2 hours before departure because there will be social distancing at play. You can see the social distancing marks that have also been placed on the floor to enable at least a 2-meter distance when you are standing in the queue for security. Now, once you put your bag and your handbags and everything under the security scanner, body frisking is something that is not going to be practiced. Once you're done with security, you move ahead straight to boarding, and from there on, the airlines are going to ensure a safe flying experience for you. Remember, everything has changed.